A loose or misaligned toilet flange often shows up as persistent leaking or a rocking toilet before serious damage appears. A common sign is water at the base after a flush, which indicates a failed seal between the closet flange and the toilet horn. Check for water pooling and wipe the area dry, then flush while observing to confirm active leakage. If the bowl rocks or shifts when you sit down, that usually means the flange is not securely fastened to the subfloor or the flange height is wrong. Tighten closet bolts gently and use shims or a flange spacer to bring the flange flush with the finished floor so the toilet sits level. Foul sewer odors in the bathroom suggest the wax ring is not sealing because the flange is warped or misaligned. Remove the toilet and inspect the wax ring and flange face for cracks, corrosion, or offset. Then replace the wax ring and correct the flange position. Visible gaps between the flange and floor or a flange that sits below the finished floor height will allow water to escape and trap moisture under the toilet. Raise the flange with an appropriate ring or install a flange extender following manufacturer torque specs for bolts. If the flange itself is cracked or has broken bolt slots that cause uneven clamping, replace the flange with one that matches your pipe material and diameter and ensure the closet bolts align squarely with the toilet base. Always use a new wax ring or wax-free seal on reinstallation. Apply even, incremental torque to bolts to avoid cracking ceramic, and hand tighten, then quarter turn with a wrench, while checking level after each turn. The three most common mistakes are over-tightening bolts, which cracks the porcelain and still fails to seal, using the wrong flange height, which causes rocking or leaks, and ignoring signs of flange corrosion, which leads to repeat failure. To avoid over-tightening, tighten slowly and stop as soon as the toilet is snug and level. For wrong flange height, do not rely on tape or guesswork. Measure the finished floor to the flange face and use a spacer or extender size to that measurement for a correct seal. When corrosion is present, do not attempt patching. Remove the old flange and install a new one compatible with your drain pipe material, and ensure you replace rusted hardware with stainless steel replacements. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work in their service areas. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and experiences about issues like toilet flange problems.